हाय एवरीवन आपण मैंने देखी पारुथिबे नाउ आई एम बाथिंग विथ स्वेट झाड़े गाधे पड़े सिंस द लास्ट 1 आवर ये मु बहुत दिन पर आफ्टर मे बी 21 डे आसी फार्म को आपन देखा पोजीशन भलो नहीं बट बहुत स्पीडीली रिकवर कर यू कैन सी papaya that 1 2 3 4 5 6 papaya in this tree. The tree टिके हेल्दी थिला नाउ इट इज नॉट सो हेल्दी अपन देखी पाते रेड पड़ू सब रेड रो ये गुड़ा दैट इज पोटास आई हैव गिवन टुडे फॉर ट्रीटमेंट ए गछरे गोटे भी फल धरी नहीं इट नीड सम ट्रीटमेंट आज तार ट्रीटमेंट करा लेट अस होप दैट इन 7 days এটা ভালো হয়ে যাব you can see this is 3 big size papaya this tree is healthy almost healthy you can see आज ये ट्रीटमेंट करा ही this one also तले जो फल गुड़ा थिला एटा रही जाइतिला 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 बट ऊपर जोटा होची सुखी जाउची मे बी सॉइल रो किछि इशू अछि एटा केयर करा जीवो you can see this is the mango tree my favorite mango tree you can see it let me show you देखि पारुथिबे mango tree it is almost 6 feet tall बाड़ी रो पछ पटरे करा हिची so that it will stay live more than me एटा गोटे जामुन ट्री just on the edge of boundary देखि पारुथिबे mango tree these are our jhonnis you can see grass so much of grass that is that lemon tree खरा पाइलानी after 20-21 दिन you can see this is bangan tree but you can see bangan is there but may not be okay we'll check another bangan is there actually ये दुईटा इश्यू अच्छी फास्ट आपनकर ग्रास बहुत गुड़ा अनाबना घास and second is one gentleman is regularly breaking into this compound I don't know who he is but आपन देखिथिबे लास्ट वीडियो रे बड़ बड़ पिजुली थिला 2-3टा सब पिजुली गुड़ा तांकर पेट भीतर को जाई सारी so much of labor it sometimes frustrates but what to do which cannot be cured must be endured एबे हमें देखिबा गोटे जन्नी हिची will pluck this by God's grace आपन देखि परथिबे this जन्नी will take this okay this one is the gain from today's visit आउ किछि हेइथिबो आई सपोज गोटे नुआ जिनिस जानिली जे जन्हीटा हुए नहीं इन ग्राउंड इट्स नीड्स समथिंग in which it can move you can say it is a parasite tree another journey is there but it is too small will not take today will see another day if it is in our fate okay there is a big journey there let us see yes this one you can see yes this one is there I have taken 2 journeys today देखुथिबे मु एठी गोटे देखुथिली जन्नी गोटे जेतेबेले पपीता गछरे काम करूथिली बट एबे देखि पारुनी लेट अस सी वेयर आई सॉ इट नाउ इट इज नॉट विजिबल एबे मते देखा जाउ नाही ओ देयर दिस द थर्ड जन्नी हियर you can see this is the third one we'll take it also you can wait for 2 days but as you know there is a issue of thief. You can see journey, but it will take 2-3 days. This is the take from today, 3 journeys. Let us see whether anything else is there. Not visible at present. So one guava is there, you can see it, but I don't know how many days it will be kept. 2-3 journeys are there. Let me go and pluck it. I will post it in the next video. Okay, bye for them now. Today's takeaway, ଆଜିର ପରିଶ୍ରମର ଫଳ, 4ଟି journey organically built. You can see again. Now it is a sunny day. After so many days, sun has come brightly. Let us hope that आज जो treatment है it will yield good result in coming 3-4 days. You can see पूरा totally covered with grass and weeds. If soil is dried, माटी टिके सुखिला हला परे, we will see that all these grasses are taken to their place. You can see bird eye view, these grasses. I will post in my YouTube channel. Please comment and give me advices if you have regarding this papaya tree. You can see this tree are healthy, but somehow it is not giving the desired result. But as it is almost 5.5 feet tall, let us hope that it has gone deep into the soil, and regularly, if rain does not return frequently, then we will be treating this plant the way they are to be treated. Thank you very much. You can see the mountain there, Budha Raja Pahad. Okay, bye for then now. You can see this is the gate बाहर को पळे आसीचु. आपण देखंतु ए जागा सामना रे हमें गला वर्ष ए गछ लगा हितला. इट इज ए बोल ट्री almost 10 feet tall. आउ टिके आगो को गले you can see this is a neem tree planted. Although cow has squeezed it, cow's foot has squeezed it, run over it, but still it is alive. I hope that next year it will be growing into a good neem tree. And this is the jamun tree planted right on the edge of this road. This is a 20 feet wide road. So I hope that if all ए 3टा गछ जदि 10-15 फुट डिस्टेंस रे जदि स्टैंड कला, then this place will be a beautiful place. Another one will be planted after 15 feet, perhaps any Saturday or Sunday, next Saturday if possible. Khani, Prasanta, Biswajit helped. You can see the approach road is not at all commutable, so you can see it is getting hard still after so many days. I struggled, but somehow I reached, and I am happy that I am able to do something for my plants. Hope you enjoy the video. A video आपन को भल लगी थी वो मु कोटे ट्रेनिंग नहीं, जस्ट लिसनिंग एंड हियरिंग. जदि आपन पाखे किसी कंक्रीट एडवाइस अच्छी प्लीज गिव मी, आई विल बी इंडेप्टेड. थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू. आज आपन को गोटे ये देखेबी सीन माय पेट्स टू माय व्हिसिल. दे विल रन. लुक हाउ दे विल रन. यू कैन सी. You can see all of them coming to take this. You know, this is like biryani to them. You'll see the cash. You can see how they enjoy taking it. They are having gang wars. There are certain gangs. You can see one egg that is thrown out of the nest. Actually, this is one of the reasons why I visit the farm, so that I can collect some tulsi jata, seeds of tulsi, so that they can enjoy eating. You can see this is in a balcony. You can see I have one papaya tree in the balcony also, but it is not okay as it is supposed to be. Trying very hard to make it okay. You can see that is organic, that this one organic one, you can use it. It gives very good result. 50 kg bag. It is not okay, but I wish that it will be made okay in another 6-7 days. Experimentation is going on as we are identifying in chemistry the name of the salt, the acid compound, the basic compound. Likewise, now experiment is going on to find the quality of soil and need of the soil. Hope it will be okay. You can see my budgies, they are eating happily. बहुत आनंद सहित खाऊँ. You can see one egg is right there, but it is already broken. Rivalry group broke it. They are as good as human being. Association and fighting both going on simultaneously. Thank you for watching. This is our office. This is my quarter. You can see this is our senior team's residence. This is office. On fine day I will record and send you the whole compound. Not now. Hello, hello. They are eating. Let them eat happily. Bye for now. Thank you.